we are in Georgia, in Tbilisi. We are in my country, and this is a birthplace of wine. How the scientists say, I don't know. Of course, we are a very small country, but with some interesting varieties of grape, with some interesting wines, with specialities. It's a wine very archaic and really wines from our ancestors. You know? What is wine for me? You know, it's a difficult question, and I have not some answer because I don't know what is it. It's like my skin, I don't know, like hand, something for me very organic. Wine is a window to the different cultures, to the different regions. And wine is not just a gastronomical product, you know. Through wine you can learn about the traditions, about the culture, about something absolutely new for you. Through wine you can learn very, very interesting things which you cannot find in your country, for example.